to grow a kiwi plant from seeds, buy a fully ripe kiwi fruit. You can simply cut a thin slice of the fruit and plant, but this may develop mold and fungus, and the seeds may not germinate. So it is better to take out the seeds from the fruit. This is a golden kiwi fruit. You can take any variety of kiwi fruit. Cut it into half. Scoop out the pulp with a spoon and place it into a cup of water. With your fingers, separate the seeds from the pulp. The seeds will sink to the bottom and the pulp will float to the surface. Separate the seeds, wash with water, and then spread them out on a kitchen paper towel to dry for a few hours. Drying the seeds help prevent mold growth during germination. You can cold stratify the seeds in the fridge. Wrap the seeds in a kitchen paper towel or tissue paper and spray some water on it. Enclose in a Ziploc bag or in a polythene sheet. But that may not be necessary if the kiwi fruit has come from cold storage in the store. Now plant the seeds in soil. Take a small pot having drainage holes at its bottom. For rooting medium, use a mixture of coarse sand and soil. Sprinkle the seeds evenly on the surface of the soil. Press the seeds lightly into the soil or cover them with a very thin layer of soil mix. As the seeds need light to germinate, do not put too much soil on the seeds. Spray water on the soil. Cover the pot with a clear plastic sheet to maintain high humidity inside. Place the pot in a warm place with a temperature around 21 degrees Celsius. You can place the pot indoors if outside temperature is too low. Keep the soil moist. The seeds will take between 2 to 8 weeks to germinate, depending on temperature. These are the seedlings in 28 days. Keep the pot in bright light in shade, as the kiwi seedlings need lot of light until they are well established. After 2 more months, the seedlings have grown new leaves and are ready for transplanting. Mix some river sand and compost or cow manure in the soil and fill the pot with this soil mixture. The sand makes the soil free draining and the compost adds nutrition. Carefully take out the seedling and plant in new pot. Place pot in bright place, away from direct sunlight for a week. Then in full sun, keep the soil moist. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. Thank you for watching.